Okay, here we go. Another unboxing video. Probably won't be too many of these left already. There's already been plenty. Custom made box. It's good though. That was, oh, that's wrapped up nice. Oh, look at that. Jesus. Gotta give this guy some props for wrapping this up tight. Okay. Oh, these boxes are that big? Holy shit. I did not know these were that big. This is for the transmission. Yeah. So, all right. So this, man, now I know why these transmission module boxes normally, man, heck, I've seen a couple of them maybe go for $200. But I've seen just the box alone without anything else going for a lot of money, like $400 or $500. And geez, I guess I understand why now. Now this here though, this is something where the guy's like, hey, I don't know if this thing works or not. It had like June of 18 on the module. So I know that the modules kind of got to be different for different applications, even though it's the same, was it the 4 or the 8, the 80L or whatever that is, that I have, the 4-speed. So I took a chance on this, because that module is like so new. I mean, it's highly unlikely that it's going to be bad, but you never know. Somebody might not have unplugged the power to the, or taken off the batteries and stuff and discharged the system before they were unplugging things. But you know what? I got this whole thing with shipping and everything, I think for like $125. So I'm hoping, obviously I'm hoping that the transmission module works. But even if it doesn't, I still got this thing for only $125, which is way cheaper than you can normally get them on eBay. So either way I did good on that. And if the transmission module works, then oh my gosh, it was the score of the century. So let's see what we got here. Oh, okay. Yep, this is the deep water sensor. That for some reason in these 1152s, I've become there's another guy that was watching my YouTube videos, and yeah, we've had a lot of communication back and forth because we have the same vehicle, and he's a super cool dude, and yeah, it's like for some reason on these vehicles, when they demilitarize them, what the hell? Okay. No wonder this thing is so cheap. Yeah, I was expecting some kind of a float in there or something, and when the water gets up to it, it would like trigger the float, and I mean, I don't know how these things are designed, but literally all that is just a piece of plastic housing. So I guess this just gets to the point where when water goes in there, it sucks the water up, and then I don't know. Anyways, he was telling me, well, as I was talking to him, it's kind of like one of these things that for whatever reason, the military totally, they remove all this deep water stuff for some reason. I don't know why that, with the demilitarization, that needs to happen. I mean, you can buy this stuff to get it going again. So, I don't know. I mean, altogether, it's probably about $200 for the different things to make it work again, which is not the end of the world. But, you know, all those little $200 here, $100 there, $50 there, all that stuff, man, it really adds up. As people who own Humvees already know. But for people that are looking to get one, yeah, like, it's awesome that we can get all these parts. I mean, really, that's extra awesome. It really, truly is. But yeah, I mean, they come at a price. You know, almost think of it as like having an older Porsche or, you know, something like that. Porsche or something like that. Anyways, I got this for a pretty good price. I think it was, I think with tax, it was just a little bit, and shipping, it was just like $302 or $305 or something. And it's a brand new unit. Yeah. Shouldn't this have some pins in it? All right. Yeah, see, so, I mean, obviously I'm not super familiar with these things, so I don't know exactly how they work. For whatever reason, mine was missing the right rear, and these things are way more expensive than the front brake calipers. You know, I guess because they got this piece over here for the parking, or for the emergency brake, parking brake, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, these things are like way larger and way more expensive. But this is a brand new new old stock. I think that's how this would be labeled. Yeah, I got it for a good price. It would have been nice to have bought both of them and just replaced both of them, but you know, you can't be doing that to everything with these, because you would just spend $1 million. But yeah, I would think that there's some kind of pins that ride in there to guide, but I mean, I guess not. But I don't know, there's got to be something that goes there. yeah, oh well, I'll just look at the other side and see what's up. But that would really suck if I bought this and then it needs some other something, and like I wouldn't be able to get it or whatever. Let's just hope that doesn't happen. And lastly, this was, I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta buy these right now as soon as I saw it. For the longest time, there was only like, I think one guy on eBay that had these for sale. And I think he had them for like $700 or $750. And I'm just like, oh my gosh, there's no way I can pay that much for those things. But I knew I would eventually need them. And then all of a sudden, so there must have been some that somebody got some used stock or whatever, because out of nowhere, then there was a few of the people that had them, and they were selling for like maybe $300 a set, something like that. And then there was this guy, and I bought from him before, and I was happy with what I got. How does it say on here which guy this was? No. Oh, wait. Oh, I cut that off the box already. I think it might have been that like Rico guy or whatever on eBay. But it came from area code 323. I don't know where, obviously, I don't know. I don't have zip codes memorized, but I got these bad boys brand new. These are for when you're doing the armored doors. And yeah, I got these things for like $125 shipped, $150 or wait, no, man, I think it might have just been a little over 100. I think it was under 125. But I was like, oh my gosh, like even the other people were at I think 300 or 350. And then so now he has more of them available. I think he had 10. Okay. Yeah, so there's the number. Manufactured on September 31st of 2015. 14 TA. But yeah, I guess that was like, 6 years ago. Almost 6 years ago. Yeah, but man, these things are perfect. And because of what I'm doing with my build, yeah, I needed something to really make everything more robust. And then now I got them, and they got them for way cheaper than the one guy was selling them for. So, anyways, I'll be making another video here pretty soon on the side panels, like the whole sides, the construction I'm doing to the vehicle. I'm ordering the structural rivets probably right after I do this video, and I'll get those, I believe, on Wednesday. And I need to order some epoxy as well. I'm kind of a little bit low on money right now because I've had to buy a lot of extra stuff that GovPlanet left out on their inspection report. So, but yeah, that epoxy stuff is not cheap. But anyways, so yeah, this thing's gonna start coming together here pretty soon. And yeah, there's gonna be a lot more videos. And so yeah, I'm really looking forward to really start making a lot of headway forward on this project. Talk to you guys later.